toward the all type of modernization technology for which we are going to use this form all forms of energy in different way by which we can make our life suitable. Make our life suitable. Wait 1 minute. See, now in modern civilization, the energy has been become one of our primary need. Just like our basic needs, food, cloth and shelter, we need energy in different forms for different types of work. Energy that we need may be in form of mechanical, chemical, sound, heat, light and other one. But whatever the conversions we need, we can convert this energy into one form into another form, and we can use these different forms of energies as per our need. In the last year also we have seen how the different forms of energy we are converting into one form into another form. On that basis we are turning toward the next how this type of energy we can need and how we can convert this energy into other form. See that some questions given in that middle. See, where do we use electrical energy in our daily life and how electric energy is produced? We know that, see, use of electric energy in our life. Note down some, give the heading now, electrical energy in our daily life. Electrical energy in our daily life. Come this point now, you can mention your own open-ended question. What type of energy you are going to use? How, in which way you are using the electrical energy in your house? You can mention some uses of industrial and also some other uses, whatever you know, and how the electrical energy has been produced. For this purpose we are turning towards next one, generation of electrical energy. How the electric energy has been produced. Generation. In this form, see, in the last topic we have seen heating effect of electric current. Most of electrical power plants are depend upon the same principle. Electromagnetic induction we have seen in this last topic. According to this principle, the magnetic field around the conductor changes the potential difference, and due to this change in potential difference we can generate the electric current across the conductor. Wherever we need this conductor to increase potential difference, this magnetic field around this conductor can be changed into two different types. First one, keeping the conductor constant, moving and rotating the magnet around it, and the magnetic field around this conductor can be changes if the magnetic is remain at stationary position. But when conductor is moving, then also the field around the conductor also changes. Both these cases, keeping the conductor constant or keeping the conductor moving, the potential difference created across the conductor and electric power generated in the machine by the principle we called as electric generator. We called as electric generator. We have seen in this production of this electric power by the principle of magnetic induction as well as electric generator. how the electricity has been producing in the electric generator we have been seen in the last topic. Turn the page, the same point is given. See, electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. Come on second page. Compare the diagram 5.1 and 5.2. 5.1 and 5.2. And try to understand electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. Why is coming here? Electromagnetic. In the last topic we have been also seen the same point. We know the definition. Just remember the principle. Just remember the principle. Mention the principle there, then you can understand the role of this. How we can turn this into different forms. Taishete, why you are entering here? In this flow, to the generators, we can use household as well as commercial use. See that role of this. The turbine is used to rotate the magnet in the generator. Turbine has the blades. When the flow of liquid or gas directly flows on this blade of turbines, it gets rotated, and because of this kinetic energy of the flow and the turbine which are connected to the electric generator, the magnet in the electric generator starts rotating and electric energy produced. See that given, see the one chart 5.4, proper energy source to run the turbine. Turbine is blade of the machines. You can use the flow of the water, you can use the flow of the liquid, we can use the flow of the gas. When the proper source is there to run the turbine, turbines gets rotated. And when the turbines get rotated, we can produce or we can convert this kinetic energy into of the flow of the source to run the turbine, and we can run the generator. And when we run the generator, we can get the production of electrical energy. Just write this one flow chart. Give the name flow chart to generate electric energy. Flow chart flow chart to generate the electricity. Why it is happening? It is okay now, boys?
Yes, sir.
1-2 minute has been disconnected. Give the heading flow chart for generating electric energy. Give the heading flow chart. See the chart number 5.4. Chart number 5.4. Make same chart. It can ask to complete in the exam. Make 4 boxes. Make 4 boxes. You can make in straight line or you can go one below the other. Let it be. First box write energy source to run turbine. And boys, keep your videos on. Boys, keep your videos on. Let's see what are you doing. You are paying attention or not? Keep your videos on. Keep your videos on. Keep your videos on. Why disconnecting? I don't know. 17 यांनी हे करून ठेवल्यामुळं let's see your videos. Keep your videos on, boys. Om Sawant, your video. Remedies कुठून काय कोण कोण या लागलेत? Why is entering here? Very good. Make that chart. Make 4 boxes. In first box, write source of energy. Second box, turbine. Third box, generator. And fourth box, electrical energy. Keep your videos properly. This is the way to common generation of electrical energy. By rotating the turbines, by using any source of the or any flow, any source, may be liquid or may be gas, to run the blades of the turbine. To run the blades of the turbine. These blades can be run by the source of liquid, that means commonly water you can say. Then the gas. When the blades of turbine rotate, conversion of potential kinetic energy takes place into mechanical energy to drive the generator, and this mechanical energy we convert into electrical energy. Kinetic into mechanical, mechanical into electrical. Write one line below this. Write one line. Electric energy, the kinetic energy of energy source, kinetic energy of energy source is converted into mechanical energy to run the generator. Full stop. This mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. Now first type you will see, give the heading thermal energy electric power station. Thermal energy. See the flow chart 5.5. Make again 5 boxes. First box, fuel, you can take coal. Then boiler. After boiler, steam turbine. After turbine, generator. And after generator, conversion of electrical energy. See how it forms. Yes, to run the turbines, we use the source coal. We are use the source coal. With this coal, we can provide the heat to the boiler to boil the water and to convert this water into steam. To convert this water into steam. This steam we have to use to run this turbine. These turbines are called as steam turbine. Steam turbine. And this steam we have to use to run this generator. To run this generator. When the generator runs, we get the production of electrical energy. Here see they are given a system to convert steam back into water. Whatever the steam has been made here, we need one system to convert this steam back into water. Simultaneously again we can use this water to convert into steam. We can use this water to convert into steam. Make this flow chart. Now let me see how the different forms of energies has been converted into other one. Fuel, chemical energy, to convert or to produce steam, it convert into another form that is called as thermal. After thermal, see, to rotate the turbine or to flow kinetic energy. Then this kinetic energy to run the turbines. Then to the mechanical, and then to the electrical. Below this chart, you can make one more flow chart, 5.6. See the chart number 5.6. Chart number 5.6. Chemical energy in coal convert into thermal energy. Thermal energy get converted into kinetic energy in steam. We use this kinetic energy to run the turbines. When turbines comes in motion, it runs the generator. That means kinetic energy into mechanical energy, and finally this mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is the flow chart of conversion of energies. Write one line there below this flow chart. Boys, you have to write both the charts of 5.5 and 5.6. 5.5 chart is different steps in the thermal power electric energy or thermal power plant, and 5.6 is energy transformation. 5.6 is energy transformation. You can make this flow of chart for the conversion. Any one of the chart they can ask to complete it, and it can be turned towards now main one, how the actual thermal power plant diagrammatic representation 5.7. Diagrammatic representation 5.7. 5.7. See the diagram number 5.7. It has been shown, see how the flow can be run. Thermal power plant 5.7. see first, see combustion of gas, boiler to make steam. The steam will turn towards the turbine. Turbines are connected to the generator, and after generation of this, after running the generator, we can convert this mechanical energy into electrical energy, and we see that cooling tower to cool this steam and convert this steam into water once again. Convert this water once again. Give the heading now. Diagrammatic representation of power plant, thermal power plant. Give the heading. Diagrammatic representation of thermal power plant. Thermal power plant. Boys, you have to stop your video. Don't stop it. On your videos. Give the heading. Diagrammatic representation of thermal power plant. Under this, write first point. Write first. This diagrammatic representation shows generation of electricity and energy transformation in the thermal power plant. Full stop. Change the line. The fuel coal undergoes combustion which release the gas in the atmosphere by the high tower. Full stop. Again change the line. The turbines are rotated by the stream of water at high temperature and pressure. Full stop. This steam is converted back into water with help of cooling tower by the condenser in cooling tower. Full stop. This water is circulated through the condenser. Full stop. This steam energy run the turbines